Marketing is a really complicated process that doesn't need to be that way. Marketing is simply a language. It's you learning how to speak to an intended audience, a group of people, consumers, business owners, municipal agencies, in a certain way that's going to make them respond and say, gee, I'd like to have a conversation with that person because I think what they do is something that I need to get into. If you can't get that down, you will waste an incredible amount of time and money in marketing plans and advertising that simply won't work or work well because the person on the receiving end is listening to it and there's nothing going on. I mean, every one of us are just bombarded daily with marketing messages. Things you see, things you read, things you experience, and it's gotten so bad that most of us just kind of are numb to it. I mean, I can't tell you, the best invention ever was the DVR. And I can go right through those commercials because most of them, they're not talking to me, and I'd rather just get back to the program I was watching. So it's gotten that bad. So now what do you do as a small business owner when you can't just litter the market with your advertising? You've got to have a message that really connects with people. It's what we call resonation, meaning when I say something, if it's speaking to you, if it's something that really hits a chord about something you've either wanted or needed, all of a sudden you're listening. If I'm up here talking about something you've got absolutely no interest in, it goes right over. Marketing's the same way. You have to have the right message. You have to have the right way to get it, to deliver it up. And you've got to be targeting the thing to a group of individuals, consumers, business owners, whoever, who you know are your right clients.